Teenage problems. Communication is the most important thing in relations between parents and their children. Top 5 problems teenagers face today. Number 5. Eating disorders. One side, starving, anorexia, common by girls. Other side, overeating, common by boys. Number 4. Depression. It can be caused by bullying, unhappy love, pressure at learning, lack of communication in family. Number 3. Alcohol and smoking. Number 2. Internet addiction. Number 1. Drugs.